Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to download and install Anaconda on your Windows PC. Fast, simple, and step by step. Let's go. First, open your browser, type Anaconda download. Boom, click the first link, anaconda.com. Now, hit download now. If you don't have an account, sign up with Google or email. Quick and easy, done, perfect. Let's move on. If you don't have one, you have two options. Sign up with Google, super quick, just one click. Sign up with email, type your email, create a password, and you're ready to go. Here's the key part. Pay attention. You'll see three options: Windows, Mac, Linux. We're on Windows, so click that. Now, look closely. There are two installers, Graphical Installer and Anaconda. Don't get confused. We want the Graphical Installer. This is the full version. Anaconda? Lightweight. Yes, but missing a lot. The full installer, heavy, about 1.1 gigabytes. But trust me, it's powerful, packed with everything you need, worth every byte. Click download and let it run. Grab a coffee, stretch a bit. I won't judge. Just don't close the browser. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, double-click the .exe file, installer opens, click Next I agree Next, choose your destination folder, or leave it default, doesn't matter. Then, hit install. Sit back, Windows will do its magic. This might take a minute, so breathe. We're almost there. Alright, installation is running. This usually takes about 1 minute, so sit tight. You'll see a progress bar moving, almost there, and done. Awesome. Click Next finish. Boom. Anaconda is installed. Now, let's launch it. Go to your Windows search. Type Anaconda. You'll see Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. We're going to open the Anaconda Prompt. That's where the magic happens. And that's it. Anaconda is installed, ready to go, and your Windows PC is now Python-ready. Super simple, super clean. No hassle, no confusion. You just leveled up your setup in minutes. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.